Next up is the longer quick release levers. We have one version that fits 2 fingers and another one that fits 3 fingers for extra leverage. I know some of you struggled tightening the current ones, so the 2-finger one we suggest you use on the arm post. If you use the longer one, it's quite easy that it collides with stuff, so suggest using the 2-finger ones. The longer one we suggest installing here up on the gimbal locks, and also up here on the main lock for the toad and hole and DJI bridge plate. So I'm going to show you how to install these on the current quick release levers. Right. So you take one of the arms, clean it up. You need index key number 2, and you simply take out the screw that's inside here, loosen it up. Be sure not to lose any of the internal parts. It will be the screw and a spring. This allows you to slide this part out, replace it with a new one. When putting it back together, I suggest applying a little bit of Loctite inside the thread here, so you don't like grease up on the spring. The spring goes inside the socket on the screw, like so. Drop it in, and you tighten it back up without over tightening it, making sure it's solid and secure, and that's how you install a new one. Okay, as for the 3-finger one on these, we suggest you not to over tighten these when you lock it down, because we have a lot more force produced from these levers than the short ones. Okay, so you don't have to like go brutal as you did before. Just take it gentle. The same goes for the one installed up on the bridge plate. Okay.